Abasio morai wense Dr. William Ruto nigaikirana asense mo yartian county ya Narok basanga na begenwa bense meyo asogo chengera emyaka 20 yobokoreri bwa National Council Church okwana nigaine kebuna maega yokorentwa ko muroberio omuyawe chiseme nigo asentunde ntangani kigima ABAOROKIGWA GOETANIA EMIRIONI ya monukta eyamo barachie kwenyorera amabaga nigaine kebuna omuroberio yo nigo oraikirane omutienyi omutangani bw'omwaka ogocha.
The first cohort of our young men and women going to senior school is going to happen in January. It is a most consequential transition in Kenya because it is part of the transition of our education reform process that now is going to give us a new way of our students progressing with their education. So a most consequential exercise is underway in Kenya. 1.1 million children in Kenya will be transitioning from junior school to senior school in January. I want to assure parents across the Republic of Kenya and all other stakeholders that we have made adequate arrangements. Every child, the 1.13 million children in Kenya, each of them has a place to go to in senior school. Hakuna mtoto hata moja atakosa nafasi ya kwenda katika shule ya senior school ama secondary school ikifika Januari.